Hi everyone, I'm the Fox in Foxy Gardens. I'm almost 78 years old. When I was 8 years old, that's 70 years ago, my father said to me, "Well, Bob, it's time to cut the grass. Every week you have to use the lawnmower and cut the grass, and if you do that, I'll give you 50 cents a week for your allowance." I said, "Hey Dad, what's an allowance?" He said, "That's when you get money from me and you can spend it on whatever you want." And I thought, yippee, I can buy popsicles and ice cream cones for 5 cents and lots of candy too. I'll do it. So I want to introduce you to the lawnmower that I used 70 years ago, and I still cut grass with it right here on my own Foxy Gardens plot.